ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. Dear devotees, today let us know about the significance of Chitta Shuddhi. Here, Chitta means consciousness. Shuddhi means purification. Therefore, Chitta Shuddhi means inner purification or purity of mind. Our Shastra says, चित्तस्य शुद्धये कर्म न तु वस्तूपलब्धये. That means न तु वस्तूपलब्धये. Without expecting the fruits of our actions, the fruits of our karma, we have to do only good actions just for inner purification, just for purity of mind. Our Shastra says this inner purification, purity of mind, is the most essential basic qualification for all kind of spiritual seekers. In our life, our play and pleasure, our happiness and sorrow, our success and failure, everything, our pain and pleasure, happiness and sorrow, success and failure, our worldly progress and spiritual progress, like this, are all depends on this purity of mind. There are several factors which contributes towards this purity of mind. Our Shastra says, regular and sincere practice of yoga will improve our purity of mind. That means by doing yoga, especially Ashtanga yoga, sincerely and regularly in our life, we can cultivate this purity of mind. By doing Vedic rituals correctly, without selfish interest for worldly fruits, we can develop our purity of mind. By doing mantra japa of Bhagavan, namasmarane of Bhagavan, by doing bhajans of Bhagavan with intense faith, pure devotion and love, we can develop our purity of mind. by doing all our day-to-day work selflessly, sincerely, as an offering to our Ishtadevata, we can develop our purity of mind. By listening to Lord's glory, greatness of the Lord, stories of the Lord, we can acquire this purity of mind. Similarly, purity of food and good habits of our life will also improve our purity of mind. Like this, there are several factors which decides our purity of mind. If there is no Chitta Shuddhi, if there is no purity of mind, if there is no inner purification, then we can't achieve anything, especially in our spiritual life. No Chitta Shuddhi means no Gnana Yoga, no Bhakti Yoga, no Karma Yoga, no Dhyana Yoga. That is why our Shastra says, Asamskrita Atmanaha Tapasa Indriya Jayena Cha Prayatnam Kurvantopi Yenam Napashyanti. Here our Shastra says, in spite of continuous self-effort for self-realization, for God's grace, without this inner purification, no one can attain this self-knowledge or God's grace. So we can say that this Chitta Shuddhi, this inner purification, this purity of mind is the ultimate key for God's grace and for self-realization. Because even for God's grace, this Chitta Shuddhi is the yardstick. Naivatmanaha prabhurayam nijalabhapurno manam janada vidushaha karuno runite. This is what our Shastra says. What is the yardstick for God's grace? Chitta Shuddhi is the yardstick. Chitta Shuddhi is the yardstick for self-realization as well as for God's grace. Because Bhagavan don't want your caste, creed, social status, wealth, etc., etc., etc. Bhagavan wants only your Chitta Shuddhi, inner purification. So, Chitta Shuddhi is the everything for us. Without Chitta Shuddhi means there is no worldly life, there is no spiritual life. So, our Shastra categorically says that Chitta Shuddhi is the must and should for each and everyone to lead happy life both here and hereafter. Therefore, all of you must try your maximum best to acquire this Chitta Shuddhi for your fruitful life. This is the Hitopadesham for the day. सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। नारायण नारायण नारायण।